I'm so gonna kill this shit. Perfect. Oh shit. Is there? There is prop lock. Okay. Prop lock is on. Let's do this.
What the fuck is prop lock?
You have to hit R to lock yourself. You can't, like, if you move around without prop lock on, they're gonna see ya. They're gonna see you moving around and shit. Oh shit. Shit! 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 Ah,
Were you the cone?
yeah. This guy's a
That was.
T-Rex. Why is this guy asking who here is Asian? Ah, my teammate is so gonna get shot. There it is. Aw man, my teammates suck. What the shit?
Oh, it's a
There's a
little Pikachu.
Pikachu!
Oh, he's on my team. I'm all trying to kill him.
Dude, that is an awesome ass Pikachu. Why do my teammates suck? And why is this guy not dying? He told you, he was like, the OFN3 Pikachu is not a prop. He had to tell you. I'm gonna tell them to say hi to YouTube. Oh, that guy didn't like the idea of being on YouTube.
Well, let me become this prop. Oh, never mind.
Alright, let's fuck some shit up. What's my YouTube? What's my YouTube? It's our clan YouTube, fam. Alright. This doesn't look suspicious at all. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty.
Meows, meows.
Meows.exe, bruh. Has this cone always been here? Yep. What about this cone? Oh. This cinder block. No. I'm awful at this game. Why can't I cannot go through there. Ah, there's one too many cones here.
I appreciated it. I just I came back in a bad way. Yep.
Oh, a flashlight? That would be cool. Hey, there's Sora. Sora, come back here. Hello, Sora. Maybe one of them is the cones that I was. Aha! This box looks awfully suspicious. Oh, I've already checked that box. And that's how you die. Friends.
Shit.
There's like a... What the shit? It's like a lot of stuff to be on this map. Let's see here. I'm like not seeing anything. It's like way too dark.
Fuck, I'm talking in
finding
open
anybody.
chat?
The wrench again, most likely.
No, I'm not.
Mistakes because he's smart.
Aha.
He is a
Someone
wrench.
is a wrench.
Oh, no, he's not.
Okay, cool.
No, he's not. He said nope with a smiley face. I am honestly surprised you guys haven't found me.
How? What the shit? What? What? What was he?
I was alive too.